Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss our future videos. Let's explore the word suggest. Suggest means to propose or recommend an idea, course of action, or solution. You can use suggest when you want to offer advice, propose an idea, or recommend something to someone. For example, you might suggest a restaurant to a friend, suggest a solution to a problem at work, or suggest a movie to watch. In a sentence, you could say, I suggest we take a different route to avoid traffic. This indicates your recommendation or proposal for a course of action. Now, repeat after me. Suggest. Suggest. Now, let's practice some phrases. Repeat after me. Can you suggest a good book to read? I suggest we start the meeting at 10 a.m. instead of 9. She suggested going for a hike this weekend. He suggested trying the new Italian restaurant downtown. Can you suggest a solution to this problem? They suggested hiring a consultant to help with the project. She suggested taking a break and going for a walk. He suggested rearranging the furniture to create more space. I suggest we postpone the event until next week. Can you suggest a movie for us to watch tonight? She suggested starting a book club with her friends. He suggested investing in real estate as a way to diversify his portfolio. I suggest we order pizza for dinner tonight. She suggested talking to a therapist about her anxiety. He suggested upgrading our software to improve performance. Can you suggest a topic for my research paper? She suggested creating a budget to better manage their finances. He suggested taking a vacation to relax and recharge. I suggest we meet at the coffee shop on Main Street. Can you suggest a gift for my mom's birthday? And that's it for today's video. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring, learning, and growing. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy learning!